I'm here at the Fresh and Easy store on Watt Avenue with Calvin, the store manager, and I just wanted to say thank you very much for all of your support and help. Because of Calvin and the volunteers and the staff here, he's helped our volunteers reach out to the community, more than one community at a time, providing healthy food and other items to provide relief to families so that we can reach them and do more services within their households, within the community. It all starts with the food, and it all starts with partners like Calvin. Anything you like to say?
Yeah, it's just I'm just glad of what you're doing is really helping out. I'm glad what we're doing is helping you out. So that's it.
Thank you very much. Youth Explosions in the house.